Hello, I'm Miss Barassa, and I wanted to create a little video today, sort of as a preface before we all log on to Teams tomorrow, because I know that there may be parents out there who are unfamiliar with Teams. So I just wanted to do a quick little walkthrough so that you knew what you were getting into tomorrow and kind of what to expect as we move forward using Teams. So when you launch Teams, you get something that looks like this. Am I in that corner? Okay, maybe I am now. I don't know what I'm doing. So when you launch Teams, I could log in, click that and log in, but I'm going to use a student account so that you have an idea of what it looks like from the student perspective. So I have a student's ID here that I can use to log in. So it's first name dot last name 31, that's their graduation year, at lethsd.ab.ca. I'll click next. And then it will bring up this screen asking for a password. And I've received confirmation from the division that all passwords have been reset to Alberta student numbers. So check your email, because there were emails sent out to all of the parents with those numbers. Maybe it might have been in your spam or your junk folder. I know that's happened to a few. And if you still can't find it, reach out. I have all of those Alberta student numbers, and I'd be more than happy to pass that along to you. So I will log in here and click sign in. I'm going to say no to this because I don't want Teams to log out of my email and everything like that. So you can say yes. I'm going to say no to mine. So maybe it still happened anyway. I'm not sure. So when we log in, it's going to open it up. And you might be part of 2 teams, you might be part of more than that. I'm not sure exactly what each student's will look like, but everyone should be a part of grade 2 online learning. And if you're not a part of that team, let me know as soon as possible so I can get you added. So that's the one that we're going to be using for the most part. So I'll click on that. And so here we go. Welcome to where we are. We have a few things I'll go over here. So posts, for the most part, I don't think that I will be using this posts section. We have Class Dojo and we have email, and those will probably be what we use more consistently. I don't want to confuse everyone or myself too much by using a whole bunch of different things. I think that Teams will primarily just be for our meetings and our video conferencings and things like that. Should something pop up on here, there's an opportunity to comment back, respond to comments, that sort of thing. Files, I might put our weekly schedules in here just so that they're all in one handy dandy little place, but we also have our class website that they will probably also be on. So you kind of have a few places that they can go. Class notebook, again, I don't see us really using this feature a whole bunch. I don't even have it set up yet. Assignments and grades, again, assignments are all going to be submitted through Class Dojo just by taking a picture of it. It's really simple. Take a picture, post it to the portfolio, and then that way I can see it. Everything is all in one place. Super, super simple. Grades, we'll see when the time comes where I'll be putting those summative grades. Formative will all be through Class Dojo. I can comment, that sort of thing, or through the video conferencing over Teams. But the most important places, and the ones that you'll probably be using the most, are this little icon here. So this says Meet Now. Now if I were to click on this, this would open up for the whole class a meeting. So usually I will try to be the first one logged on and have this button clicked. And when this button is clicked, what will come up on yours is a purple button right about here or in this general area that says Meeting Now or Join Meeting or something like that. And you can click on that and it will join where everyone is. So I can go Meet Now. I can turn my camera on or off. There's also a spot for microphone to turn that on and off. I'm going to ask that we start with microphones muted because often there's a lot of background noise. And even if there isn't background noise, if we've got the microphones and the speakers going, we can often get feedback if there's a lot of people in our meetings. So we'll keep our microphones and our cameras muted, and then we can click Meet Now, and that will, or Join Meeting, and that will bring that up. This will work for me. So my video isn't working because I'm using my webcam to do this video, so that's why that's not working. But that's how it is. There's to mute. If you want to turn your camera off, there's that option there. When we're in here, there's a little chat. So somewhere. You can raise your hand if you have something that you'd want to say. We'll kind of see how this goes as a whole group sort of thing. I've never used it to be teaching a class before, so we'll see how that goes. Or there's a little conversation where you can type in questions. So that's for whole group meetings. Now for individual meetings, small groups, chances are I will put a little thing saying small group whatever meeting at this time, and then you'll have the opportunity to join that way. But if you were wanting to do a one-on-one conference or give me a call, along the side here you're going to go to calls and to make a call. And then you can type in Taylor Barassa. So there I am there. And then I just click video call. And then what that's going to do is call me directly. And I'm receiving it on my phone right now because I'm not logged into Teams on the computer. But then I can answer that and respond to your questions. We can have our conversation. So that's the direct way that you can get in contact with me over Teams. You can also direct message me on Teams as well. But like I said, if we're aiming for simplicity, we can keep with the email and the Class Dojo and strictly use Teams for our webcam meetings. So I think that that's just a really general rundown of what to expect through Teams and what you'll be using most often, which is the Meet Now and the calls. Should we introduce more things from Teams as I kind of get more familiar with it as well, then I'll maybe send out another little how-to video so you get an idea of how to do that. But that's it that I have for now. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to reach out and connect with me over email or Dojo. And I can't wait to meet all of you and begin this adventure together. See you!